to English classes by Nitya Kapoor. So we are back with another video. और अगर आप नए हैं तो वेलकम हियर. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ, कि अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दें इंग्लिश में. और अगर आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन इंग्लिश में देना सीखना चाहते हैं कि आप किसी को कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं, कि आप उसमें कैसे अपना नाम बताएंगे, अपनी क्वालिफ़िकेशन बताएंगे, अपना लिविंग प्लेस बताएंगे, अपनी जॉब्स बताएंगे, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बताएंगे, अपनी हॉबीज़ के बारे में बताएंगे, तो हम इस वीडियो से इसको सीखने वाले हैं. तो हम जो अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में इंक्लूड करेंगे आज, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो होगी वो ग्रीटिंग्स. पहले ग्रीटिंग्स, हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, देन थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम, थैंक यू फॉर टॉकिंग टू मी, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम टू मी. Next will be introducing your name, then where do you live, then what job do you do, then what qualifications do you have, what experiences do you have, what all you want to share about your family, what all you want to share about your hobbies. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to talk about is how to greet someone. So if we have to greet someone, we don't just say hi or hey. ठीक है, वी हैव टू से गुड मॉर्निंग सर और गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून सर और गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, गुड इवनिंग सर और गुड इवनिंग मैम, हेलो सर, हेलो मैम और हेलो एवरीवन. हाई एंड हे आर वेरी वेरी इनफॉर्मल एंड ट्राई नॉट टू यूज़ देम. The next that we are going to include in our introduction is thanking the other person for their time, for their trust and everything. So we can say thank you sir or thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you, or thank you sir or thank you ma'am for giving me your valuable time so that we can explore other opportunities in future. The next thing that we have to include in our introduction is our name. We never say myself Riya Singh or I am Riya Singh. We have to say my name is Riya Singh, or my name is Nitya Kapoor, or my name is whatever your name is. You have to add your first name and your last name. Do not introduce yourself with myself or I am. Say my name is. Next thing that we need to include in our introduction is our place of living. Where do we live? Where do we reside? Where is our house? Or are we traveling to a place? Like I live in, my home is in Delhi but I'm traveling to Mumbai for job. My home is in Delhi but I am living in Mumbai for job. So like this. So see, I am from Delhi, I belong to Delhi, या फिर I live in Delhi. And then you can also say that basically I am from Delhi but presently I am living in Pune for job or for any other reason. The next thing that we need to include is your job. What is your job? What do you do? What do you do for your living? So we can say that I am a teacher, I am a student, I am an entrepreneur, I am a businessman, I am a businesswoman, I am an actor, I am an actress, I am a telecaller, I am an electrician, I am a plumber, I am a tailor, whatever your job is. ठीक है, you can say I am a manager of XYZ company, whichever company you are the manager of. Or you can say that I earn my living by being a teacher, I earn my living by being a businesswoman, I earn my living by being an entrepreneur, like this. The next thing that we need to include is our qualification. So if you are a student, you can tell in which class you are, like you are in 7th grade, so you can say I am in 7th grade. If you are in college, you can say that I am in college, I am studying this. If you have passed out from college, if you have graduated, you can say that I am graduated in like English honors, I have graduated in BCom, I have graduated in Pol Science honors, I am in second year of my college and I'm doing English honors, or whatever your qualification is. Or I have passed 10th grade, I have passed 12th grade from this so and so school. The next should be your experiences. Like if you have no experience, if you have never worked before, you are a newcomer, you are a fresher, so you can say that I am a fresher. Or if you have experience in something, like I have 5 years of experience in teaching, you can mention that I have 5 years of experience in running a business, I have 5 years of experience of being manager in this so and so company, I have 2 years of experience in marketing. So that's how we talk about our experiences. Then we can talk about our families. Like if I live in a joint family, I'll say that I live in a joint family. If you live in a nuclear family, you can say that you live in a nuclear family. Or you can just simply tell how many members are there in your family. Like my family has 6 members, right? Or you can say there are 6 of us in my family, like that. The next thing that you want to include in your introduction is are your hobbies. Like what do you like, what do you do in your free time, what do you enjoy doing, what recharges you, what rejuvenates you, or whenever you get free time you are always doing that instead of resting. Those are your hobbies. So like my hobbies are reading and singing. My hobby is reading. I like singing and dancing. I love reading and singing. I enjoy playing piano, or you can say I love cooking. I love taking care of my plants. I love watching TV, or I love working out. Whatever your hobbies are. The last thing that should be, you should end your answer with thank you, that was all about me. And you can also ask the other person about their life. Like you can ask the other person, you can also tell me something about yourself if you are interested in. So a final answer could be, hello ma'am, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Riya Singh. I am from Delhi. I have a master's degree in English language from Pune University. I have 2 years of experience in marketing. There are 6 members in my family. I love reading and singing. That's all about me. Thank you so much. So that is how you can introduce yourself. Write your own introductions, formulate your own introductions, and put them in the comments or email me. I'll definitely check it out. And if I find any discrepancy or any error, I'll let you know. And if you like the video, if you learned something, if it helped you in any way, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who might want to learn English or who might want to learn introducing themselves. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.